fantastic meeting, new technologies, new system, new everything, coming back to real world. So seriously appreciate it and can't wait to the next meeting and to see you all. Thank you.
As a speaker, I discover a lot of other speakers, 18 speakers, so I learned a lot of things. I spent a wonderful moment. Thank you very much.
We had a great discussion, wonderful presentation, wonderful lectures. So, see you next time in 2 years.
Well, so finally we did it. 220 attendees. I think it's a success. More than 50 persons on the waiting list. So unfortunately we could get much more people if this virus was not there. So very good conference. Thank you for all people of GC. Also thank you to all the distributors and for making this event a success.